Good morning, students. We know that before was the meaning of function. Now find the operation of the function. If f1 and f2 are two functions whose domain the d1 and d2, then f1 plus f2 of x equals f1 of x plus or minus f2 of x. Then the domain of the plus or minus the two function is d1 intersection d2. Therefore, the domain of any two function between them plus or minus or times equals intersection of the two domains. Domain of the first intersection domain of the second. Domain of the two function between them divided, or fraction function. Domain equals intersection of the two domains up or down except set of 0 of the second function f2 of x, such that f2 of x not equal 0, non-empty. For example, if function f domain are positive, codomain are where f of x equal 2x squared minus 7x plus 5, and second function g domain equals 4 open into negative infinity, codomain equal real numbers where g of x equals 2x minus 5. Find the domain of plus of two function times of two function minus divide. Firstly, the domain of the first function. Domain of the first function equals are positive real numbers, positive real numbers. The domain of the second function negative infinity, 4 open. First function f, second function g, common domain between them equals d1 intersection d2, real numbers positive intersection من 4 لنيجاتيف infinity, like this part between them, intersection between the two domain. يبقى d1 intersection d2 equals 0 open, 4 closed, open interval, semi-open. Number 1, f plus g of x plus of two function. First function plus the second function plus or minus like term, therefore 2x squared minus 5x. The domain of the function f plus g or f minus g or f times g, an intersection between two domains, 0 open, 4 close. Number 4, f over g of x, fraction function. f 2x squared minus 7x plus 5 over 2x minus 5, vectorization, equals, simplify 2x minus 5 divided 2x minus 5 equals 1. And the domain of the fraction function, intersection between the two domains except set of 0 of denominator. Set of 0 of denominator, 2x minus 5 equals 0, 2x equals 5, x equals 5 over 2. Common domain between the two sets, f over g, intersection between the two domains, d1 intersection d2, minus set of 0 of denominator, of g. Okay? Find second f plus g of 3. Put 3 in this step. f plus g equals 2x squared minus 5x. Put x equals 3, يبقى 2 times 9 minus 5 times 3 equals 3. Second, f minus g of 0, f minus g like this, 2x squared minus 9x plus 10. Put x equals 0, no, 0 open, belongs to domain, doesn't belong to domain. يبقى therefore undefined because 0 doesn't belong to domain. If 0 closed interval, therefore 0, 2, x squared, يبقى 2 times 0 minus 9 times 0 plus 10. Since 0 open, 0 doesn't belong to domain. يبقى therefore undefined function. F times G of negative 3. Negative 3 belongs to domain or not? Not. يبقى undefined only. F over G of 1. 1 belongs to domain of division or not? عندي domain of fraction function, common domain of fraction function, 0 open, 4 closed, minus أو except 5 over 2. من 0 لغاية ال 4, ال 1 negative 3 belongs to, ال 1 belongs to or not belongs to. يبقى therefore أعمل substitution على طول 1 minus 1 equals 0. Right. Composed function. Composed function. What's the meaning of composed function? F composed G equals element X. X G belongs to domain بتاع G, second function. And G of X belongs to domain of the first function. Therefore, F and G are two functions. Then compose of the function F with the function G give a new function. F composed G, which is read as F composed G. Therefore, for example, if f of x equal 2x plus 1, g of x equal x squared minus 3, then find each of the following composed function. Number 1, f composed g. f composed g بعمل replacement للx اللي في الx نحط بدلها x squared minus 3 all element in the second function. f composed g of x equals الf هي عبارة عن 2x plus 1 الx كنسلتها عملت replacement ليها g of x. الg هي عبارة عن ايه؟ x squared minus 3 يبقى 2 times x squared minus 3 plus 1 and simplify the results. 2x squared minus 6 plus 1 equals 2x squared minus 5. In the opposite, G composed F. G عبارة عن x squared minus 3. نعمل replacement للx نحط بدلها f of x to the power 2 minus 3 يبقى 2x plus 1 to the power 2 minus 3. By simplify, G composed f of x equals first square, second square, first by second times 2 minus 3 equals simplest form 4x squared plus 4x minus 2. Third, f composed f of x equals f of x equal 2x plus 1 نعمل replacement للx ونحط بدلها f function f بدلها يبقى 2 times 2x plus 1 plus 1 2 times 2x يبقى 4x plus 2 plus 1 يبقى 4x plus 3. Thanks.